Hello med nursologists, you're watching Scientific Medico Nursologist YouTube channel. Today's video is for BSc Nursing second semester students. In this video, we're gonna discuss about the applied nutrition and dietetics and applied biochemistry subjects. First point, RGHS based important questions. Second point, RGHS based solved question bank with previous question papers. Third point, syllabus and blueprint. Fourth point, question paper layout. Fifth point, question paper pattern according to new semester wise scheme. So in this particular video, we're going to discuss about these 4 points. So let's start the video. So firstly, let's discuss the syllabus and blueprint of applied biochemistry subject. First, to get briefly idea about major topics to study, chapter wise important questions, weightage of marks per unit of the syllabus. With this syllabus and blueprint, you will be easily understand the important questions briefly. There are 8 units in applied biochemistry single subject, which includes Unit 1 carbohydrates, Unit 2 lipids, Unit 3 proteins, Unit 4 clinical enzymology, Unit 5 acid-base maintenance, Unit 6 heme catabolism, Unit 7 organ function tests, Unit 8 immunochemistry. To understand this briefly, let's see the blueprint of this subject. So this is the blueprint of applied biochemistry subject. I hope you will discuss blueprint by yourself by downloading PDF of syllabus and blueprint of applied biochemistry subject with the link in the description. So before discussing important questions of applied biochemistry subject, click the I button to get BSc Nursing second semester fully solved question bank. With this question bank, you can complete whole syllabus of BSc Nursing second semester Nursing Foundation first and second subjects in just 2 months. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So share this video to your friends so that every student can get benefit from this free solved question bank, which saves your 1000 rupees for purchasing solved question bank in local market. So share this video to your friends who download this applied biochemistry previous question papers with the link in the description. Let's discuss the question paper layout. So our applied biochemistry question paper layout consists of 3 parts, which includes short essay part, short answers part, MCQ part. There is no long essay part in applied biochemistry subject. There is only first part, that is short essay part, which carries 15 marks, where 5 marks for each question. Second part is short answers part, which carries 6 marks, where 2 marks for each question. Third part is MCQ part, which carries 4 marks, where 1 marks for each question. So our first part, short essay part, which carries 15 marks, consists of mainly 3 standard questions. All of these 3 standard questions will be asked in your degree examination, and that 3 standard questions will contain only 1 ordinary question, each from the unit of the particular standard questions. And all the standard questions in this short essay part are: first standard question is Unit 1, that is carbohydrates. Second standard question is Unit 2, that is lipids. Third standard question consists of Unit 3, that is proteins. Second part is short answers part, which carries 6 marks, which consists of 3 standard questions. All of these 3 standard questions will be asked in your degree examination, and all the standard questions in this short answers part are: first standard question is Unit 5 acid-base maintenance. Second standard question is Unit 6 heme catabolism. Third standard question consists of Unit 7 organ function tests. Third part is MCQ part, which carries 4 marks. Consist of mainly 4 standard questions. All of these 4 standard questions will be asked in your degree examination, and all the standard questions in this MCQ part are: first standard question is Unit 1, that is carbohydrates. Second standard question consists of Unit 4 clinical enzymology. Third standard question consists of Unit 5 acid-base maintenance. Fourth standard question consists of Unit 8 immunochemistry. 4 MCQ will be asked from the any of the standard questions listed below. So this is all about the applied biochemistry subject RGHS based solved question bank with previous question papers. Third point, syllabus and blueprint. Fourth point, question paper layout. Fifth point, question paper pattern. So this is the question paper pattern of applied biochemistry. Your degree examination question paper will look like this, in which first part is short essay part, which carries 15 marks. Second part is short answers part, which carries 6 marks. Third part is MCQ part, which carries 4 marks. To download this question paper pattern, click the link in the description. Last point, most important questions. I already discussed important questions of this subject in this video. And don't forget to watch the applied nutrition and dietetics subjects blueprint, syllabus and important questions with the link in the description. And also don't forget to watch the other subjects blueprint, syllabus and important questions by clicking the link in the description or clicking the I button. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get first point question paper discussion just after finishing 1 hour of RGHS examination. Second point, important question for all subjects of BSc Nursing. Third point, handwritten notes for BSc Nursing. Thanks for watching.